Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to reboot iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you are getting a problem on your iPhone and you want to reboot your iPhone, so let's see how can you do it. If you want to reboot your iPhone, so there a simple trick. For this you just have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. So let's do this. First, quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, then power button, and here just slide it to power off. And after doing this, you just have to power on your phone. For this, you have to press and hold the power button just like this and until the Apple logo won't show on your screen. And after seeing this logo, so you have successfully rebooted your phone. So that's how you can easily reboot your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.